This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your iPhone is updated so blocking behaves predictably. Once done, open the phone app and go to Recents or Contacts. Find the entry for the unwanted caller, then tap the info icon for that call or the contact card. Make sure you're selecting the right number. If a contact has multiple numbers, choose the exact line to block. This avoids blocking work or family lines by mistake and sets you up for the next actionable step. Once you're at the contact or call details, scroll to the bottom and tap Block this caller. You will see a confirmation prompt, so make sure you want to proceed. Confirm the block, and iOS will prevent calls, messages, and FaceTime from that number. This sends them to voicemail without ringing. If the number reappears or shows from a different line, repeat the process for that exact entry. This step ensures the system-wide block takes effect immediately. To finish, verify the block by going to Settings, Phone, then Blocked Contacts. This list shows every blocked entry so you can manage or remove numbers. If you need to unblock, swipe left or use Edit to restore calls and messages. If a blocked caller still reaches you, restart your iPhone and recheck the list. Make sure the number is exactly the same format. If problems persist, contact your carrier because network call handling can override device-level blocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.